Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'll be talking about a quite newly launched product, and it's a DD cream from the brand Ekte. Ekte is an organic brand and their products are cruelty free. Ekte has recently launched the DD cream, which they claim to be a mix of BB and CC cream. So what does Ekte DD cream promise to do? So Ekte DD cream is a skin corrector. It's a combination of BB and CC cream. It has 10% niacinamide. It's anti-pollution and broad spectrum, and it has SPF 25 double plus. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, the cardboard packaging. It has the Ekte's trademark black and gold packaging. It has the goodness of BB and CC cream, and it's called the DD cream, which means the daily defense cream. It evens out skin tone, brightens skin tone with a touch of makeup, but also offers protection against skin imperfections, reducing enlarged pores, evens out skin tone, and works on acne marks and scars. So it has skincare properties as well as a little bit of makeup coverage. Ekte DD cream corrects skin pigmentation and dark spots. It also works on skin clarifying and makes it smooth. It offers broad spectrum protection from UVA, UVB rays with SPF 25 double plus, and creates a shield against nanoparticles in the air, offering protection against pollution. So it also claims that it's protects the skin from pollution and of course sun rays, because it has SPF 25 double plus, and it has anti-aging properties as well. So it has multiple properties. That's what the product description says. So I'll be doing a first impression on the product, and I'll apply the product on my face. The first, let me show you the product. This is how the outer packaging looks like, I showed you. And once you open it, this is the DD cream tube. It's a 30 gram of product, and it costs rupees 7.99 for 30 grams. So it's not a cheap product. It's quite expensive, and the key ingredients of the products are Brazilian yellow clay, calamine, zinc oxide, niacinamide, grapeseed oil, ceramide complex, pearl powder. So there are a lot of other ingredients as well, but these are the main ingredients. This is how it looks, and let me put out the product. This is how the product looks. Okay, so what I can feel is it has a bit watery texture, and it has a smell. The smell is very familiar. The fragrance is, it's like, it's like baby cream. Yeah, it's like a baby cream. I kind of like the smell. It smells like a baby cream. Very soothing, and what I can feel, it has a watery kind of texture also. Although it doesn't show, it appears as a cream, but once you apply it, blend it, it becomes quite watery in texture, and it blends in well. And although it was looking that it had a very light tone, it blended well on my hand. And right now my hand feels a bit matte in texture. It can happen because I have not applied any cream on my hand, and generally my skin is very dry, so it can be for that. But anyway, unless and until I put the product on my face, I won't be able to tell how actually it fares, and whether all the promise that the brand has made are true or not. Well, some of the things I cannot say. The long term effects that they have promised, like anti-aging benefits and then anti-pigmentation and anti-acne scars and all that things, those I cannot say. But I can speak about the coverage and the general feel of the product, because this is my first impression and not a review. So what I will do is, as usual, I will put only this product on the left hand side of my face, and on the right hand side I'll put a moisturizer or serum, and then on top of it I'll put and apply the DD cream. So let's start. So I have applied only the DD cream on the left hand side of my face, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a serum, and that is the Kumkuma face and body polishing oil from Ekte. This is how it looks, and I'm going to apply it on the right hand side of my face, and on top of it I'm going to apply the DD cream. This is a very moisturizing product. So I have moisturized my face with the Ekte polishing oil, the right hand side of my face, and now I'm going to apply this. Okay, so now I have applied the DD cream both with a serum and without one. So on the left hand side of my face I had applied it alone without any moisturizer underneath, and on the right hand side I have applied with a serum underneath. So what I can see is this part of the face where I have applied only the product looks quite matte. So I can definitely say that this gives a matte effect to the skin. It will be quite good during the summers. And as per coverage is concerned, I don't think it has a very good coverage or anything. It has very sheer coverage, and but it evens out the texture of the skin, tone of the skin, and it gives a very smooth texture to the skin and gives a matte effect to the skin. Where I had applied the moisturizer, it's very moisturizing actually. I should have taken a little bit of a small amount of product. I had taken a lot, and here it looks very glowing. My skin looks very glowing, as if it has I have done some facial or something. So as per me, I like this kind of dewy finish. So if whenever I'm using this product, I will obviously use it on top of a moisturizer or a serum, because personally I'm not very fond of matte touch skin. So I love dewy skin. So I think this one is looking much better. But those who have liking for matte skin, or those who are looking for a regular wear for office or college, or they in general they like matte skin, or they have oily skin because they that's why they prefer matte skin, I think for them this product alone is going to work well. And as per coverage is concerned, you should be needing a concealer. So what I am saying is based on my first impression, and it's the glow, the texture of the skin and the coverage that it provides. So as you can see that the coverage is very sheer, it doesn't really have any coverage. So if you have uh, you know problem free skin without which doesn't need much coverage, this is a good product for everyday use. And because it has SPF 25 double plus as well, and it has niacinamide. So niacinamide by itself is a product that diminishes age spots and is good for acne scars and brightening skin tone. So obviously this product is good, but $7.99 I think is a bit overpriced. This is what my first impression for 8-day DD cream is. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.